Ka pai whānau, grab the guitar, crank up the spoons, whatever you like to make some noise. It's time for WAIATA KÍNAKI. Let's go. Kia ora koutou, and here we go now for the WAIATA, the ABCs of Te Reo Māori, Te Matatau o Te Reo. And as we may call it in the whānau, ahaka mana. Ka pai, so back in the day, that was the waiata we used to sing. I think we just used to sing it, didn't really know. I'd love to know actually who wrote it and how long ago. I think it's been around forever. But anyway, we are going to sing that today to consolidate the waiata, and I think that's what it does. I like to hear you say all the parts. Try not to miss any. I think when you're singing it, you just skim over them. But we're going to try and recall all those parts we learnt through the different parts of Te Matatau o Te Reo. So if we recall how we started and where A, E, I, O, U, A, E, I, O, U, it's all in there. H, K, M, N, P, R, T, W, N, F. So now, whānau, if we turn them over, and we'll just make out these are our piano. This is our piano fingers here, and we're just going to try it out. A, ha, ka, ma, na, pa, ra, ta, wa, nga, fa. Join me. E, he, ke, me, ne, pe. Re, te, we, nge, fe. I, hi, ki, mi, ni, pi, re, te, we, nge, fe. O, ho, ko, mo, no, po, ro, to, wo, ngo, fo. U, hu, ku, mu, nu, pu, ru, tu, wu, ngu, fu. Ka pai, A, E, I, O, U, hu, ku, mu, nu, pu, ru, tu, wu, ngu, fu. And there's all the parts there that make up that waiata whānau. And then we put in some kupu. And I've taken some kupu, we've used some kupu from around our local area here in Kāpiti, from Otaki down to Paikakariki. So we've used Raumati, Kāpiti, Otaki, Waikanai, Paikakariki. And in the second verse, a bit further down the line there, Porirua, Tītahi Bay, Tītahi is the seaside, Waitangirua, Kapimana, Aotearoa, and coming back and finishing at the Pā Takapuahia. Ka pai whānau, so there's a little bit there. I'd also like you to think about how about some towns around your place, around your whenua, around your haukainga. I wonder if you could put some more in there. Anyway, I'll grab the raku and we'll have a little bit of a sing-song, and we'll whakapakari te reo. We'll try it out, try and get all those parts in there, and see if we can get a bit of a tune going. Nō reira whānau, kia rite. Ka pai koutou, starts out slow, don't forget to put all those kupu in there, make all those sounds nice and slow. Tahi, rua, toru, whā. Ahaka mana para pawanga whā, e heke mene pere te wingi pe, ihiki mini piri te wingi fi, ohoko mono poro tō fo. A, E, I, O, U, uhuku munu puru tu ngu fu. Raumati Kāpiti, para umue. waika mai, waika kariki, kia kaha tātou, kia kaha tātou, ahaka mana para tawanga wha, e heke, heke mene tere te wene whe, ihiki mini tiri tiwingi whi, ohoko mono poro tōwongo who, ae, i o u, uku mono poro tōwongo who, orirua titahi, whaitangi rua e, kapi mana Aotea, takapua hia kia kaha tātou, kia kaha tātou, ahaka mana para tawanga wha, e heke mene tere te wenge whe, ihiki mini piri te wingi whi, ohoko mono poro tōwongo who, i o u, uku munu puru tuungu fu, i o u, uku munu puru tuungu fu. Ka pai koutou, thank you all so much for joining me on the visual videos here for the ABCs of Te Reo Māori, Te Matatau o Te Reo Māori. Look out for the, listen out for the audio and the written content coming up. E rongo, whakairia ki runga kia tīna, haumie huie, tai ki e.